Yes, good morning to all. Myself, Ramalingam, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemical Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. Today, I am going to discuss about the topic water softening methods. There are four softening methods: zeolite process, ion exchange process, mixed bed ion exchange process, reverse osmosis process. So, out of this, today I am going to discuss about the zeolite process. Yes. First of all, the other name of zeolite process is permit process. So permit or zeolite process both are same only. So first zeolite. Zeolite. What is meant by zeolite? Zeolite is a hydrated sodium aluminate silicate having a gentle formula Na2O Al2O3 dot X SiO2 dot Y H2. Right. It exchanges Na plus ions for Ca2 plus and Mg2 plus ions. Common zeolite is known as natrolite. Its formula is Na2O Al2O3 dot 3SiO2 dot 2H2O. The other gluconides, green sand that is iron potassium pyrosilicate with characteristic green color, a general mineral containing gluconite, etc., are used for a water softening. Yes, the artificial zeolite used for water softening is permate. So these are porous glassy particles having softening capacity compared to green sand. Okay, they are prepared by heating china clay, that is hydrated aluminum silicate, feldspar, or a group of rock forming minerals which make up a 60% of the earth crust, that is Na2CO3. Right? Next. Generally, the natural zeolites are in the form of natrolite, lomotite, hormonto. That is, natrolite is the general formula is Na2O Al2O3 dot 4 SiO2 dot 2H2. Lomotite, CaO dot Al2O3 4 SiO2 dot 4H2. Next, hormone. BaO dot K2O Al2O3 5 SiO2 dot 5H2. These are the capable of exchanging of its sodium ions. That structure, how it can transfer the exchanging the ions, the Na, the Ca and Mg plus. Right? Next, method of softening. How there are some different reactions out there here. Na2 is Zg plus CaHCO3 twice will give NaHCO3, that is sodium carbonate plus CaZg. Na2Zg plus MgHCO3 twice which gives sodium bicarbonate. And then Na2Zg plus CaSO4 gives sodium sulfate. Then Na2Zg plus CaSO2 gives sodium chloride plus CaZg. CaZg is in the that limestone, one of the substances. Then regeneration reaction of zeolite. So ZaZg or MgZg plus some NaCl brine solution, it gives Na2Zg plus CaCl2 or MgCl2. Next. Yes, these are the outline of the zeolite process or permit process. Okay, so the hot water should be inlet should be at the top, so it should be distributed from the top, and it should be below the top the distributed lines are there. So below that, the zeolite sand and the gravel should be poured at the bottom of the bottom of the tank. So the waste should be out at the waste should be out and the soft water should be taken out at the top. Okay, if the salt should be stored at this side, so we have to inject through the top distributor. So the process should be happening. So the hot water it should exchange the ions, and then it should separate the soft water out. So by this way, the softening of hot water by permit process happen. Yes, these are some softening process. Softening how it loses the softening ability. Some diagrams. Okay, so the stony soft water, sign on is the hot water. Here the softening process is happened, right? Then zeolite process advantages. So residual hardness of water is about 10 ppm only. right? So it should be less than 10 ppm. Then equipment is small and easy to handle. The time required for softening of water is very small. Then no sludge formation and the process is clean. Then zeolite can be regenerated easily using prime solutions. Any type of harness can be removed without any modification of the process. The disadvantages. Here, the colored water or water containing suspended impurities cannot be used without filtrations. Then water containing acidic pH can be used for softening as it will destroy the zeolite. Thank